Welcome back, guys. So today we're here with OQHAIR.com once more. I love how they did their packaging. Like it says, you know, all you gotta do is just search them up, OQHAIR.com. Yeah, so let's get into today's package. It says crown yourself queen of hair today. Okay, so firstly I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into. And then of course we got some goodies. So I got a pair of lashes, I got a pair of HD wig caps, extra adjustable elastic band, a information booklet, you know, all you need to know, like how to care for your hair, social media, all those information is inside. Also got a branded elastic headband, and that's everything for goodies. So let's get into the wig of the day. And as you see these rollers, yes, it is a curtain band wig that we're working with. This is OQHAIR body wave face framing curtain bag layered cut bleach knots wear and go wig. So yes, this is a glueless wig. It's a 1B color and it is a pre-everything, as I said, you know. It is a ready to wear and go wig. This is the construction of the inside. It does have the curve at the ear portion to accommodate your ears, so it sits comfortably. There are 3 combs inside the cap which are removable. Okay, so make note of that. You could take them out if you want or leave them. And then there's this branded elastic band on the inside for more security. You have that, and it's a medium cap as well. As I said, the knots are bleached, so everything is looking very realistic. The front, the hairline is pre-plucked and it's giving scalp. The hair is nice and soft. It's pre-styled basically for you. Okay, so that is lovely. As it says, a wear and go. It comes ready to wear straight out of the box. So yeah, this is that wig you go ahead and you order if you just don't feel like going to the salon and you want to look so cute. Definitely quality. Okay, this is also 22 inches long. I'm gonna put the density in the description box as well, and the direct link where you can order this wig. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this very quick, easy installation. Okay, let's go ahead and remove these roller sets. I love when the wigs come with the roller set in them. You get some extra tools to style the hair. Yeah, okay, so because it was packaged in the box, you know, it did change the direction of the curl a little bit, so I'll fix that. I don't mind. Okay, I don't mind, but look at that lace. I don't know if you guys can see it because it is so realistic. It's nice. No product. This is actually bleached to perfection. That is bleached to perfection. What? Like, it is so nice and soft. The way it is curled, the layers in this wig, huh, it's gorgeous. Yeah man, they cut this to perfection. You know what, let me go ahead and fix the curtain bangs in the front, because what, right off the bat, 10. I'm gonna also lay the top. I'm gonna just go in with my hot comb. I showed you the game everybody else was playing, that's for sure, and I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh.
think we're kind of done with this one.
Guys, this is perfect. Perfect. Like, what? Look at how effortless and just realistic everything looks. Like, frames my face perfectly. Yeah, man, OQ always top tier wigs. Not just great wigs, but top tier wigs are definitely what you get from OQ hair. Okay, definitely. The quality on this, it's extremely soft. It's layered properly. It's not choppy. You know, it is silky smooth and completely beginner friendly. Completely beginner friendly. Like, look at the lace. The lace looks so good, and it's all glueless. Absolutely no product in my hair. I love this. What are you talking about? This is gorgeous, amazing, stunning. No, it's so good. It's so good though. Like, that was too easy to finesse too, especially because it came ready to wear. All I had to do was fix those two curls in the front. But yeah, that's it. Oh my gosh, let me know how you guys love this wig. Let me know. Ooh. When your hair is layered right, the curls just come off way more professional looking. Everything just looks more voluminous and just well done. This is it. They ate 100%. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you guys are interested in getting this exact look right here, it's in my description box, okay? Because they did that. Yeah, if they have any sale, any deal going on, that will be it down below. All the specifications will be listed. That's it for today's wig look, man. That's it. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, share, like this video, and stay tuned for more gorgeous looks. But yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.